How to get a refund on Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to get a refund on Shein. In order to get a refund on Shein, first thing first, you need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and after that you'll need to open up or log in into your Shein app account. Once you're logged into your Shein account, it's going to direct you to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. Right on this page, go to your profile or tap on the me button located right at the bottom, and you'll be directed to your profile page. Over here under profile, you'll be able to see my orders. So swipe towards your left hand side and you can see there is an option as return. So over here you'll be able to see all of your returned item, and in order to refund it, then click the return item button, select the item you'd like to return, indicate the reason and select next step. After that you'll need to select the refund method. So that is basically how you can return or refund on Shein. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.